Hello viewers, I'm your friend Adhiraj. Today we are making chocolate brownie without using oven. Try this delicious, easy to make recipe at home. And if you like it, then a thumbs up and a subscription to my channel will really encourage me to keep coming up with more delicious recipes. So let's see how to make these delicious brownies. Thank you. For making eggless brownie, first we will grease the container with butter from inside. Now put a tawa and a cooking pot over a tawa. Close it from the lid and let it preheat till we make the batter of brownies. For making batter, we will take nearly 300 gram of condensed milk, add 50 gram of butter in it, half bowl of wheat flour, half bowl of cocoa powder, half teaspoon baking powder and 1 pinch of baking soda. Mix it all well into the batter. This batter will keep our brownies moist. Add 1 tablespoon of nuts. Here I have taken almonds and cashew. Few drops of vanilla essence. Vanilla essence is optional here. If you want, you can skip it or add any other essence whichever you love. Our cooking pot has heated up now. Keep the stove on low flame and add the batter in cooking pot. Close the cooking pot with lid and bake it for 25 to 30 minutes on stove. Friends, it's been 30 minutes now and our brownie is ready. To check if the brownie is ready, dip the knife in it, and if it comes clean, then it's ready. Now we will make it a little more chocolatey by spreading some chocolate sauce, or you can spread some peanut butter over it. Here I am using chocolate sauce to garnish it. See friends, our beautiful chocolatey easy to make brownie is ready to eat. Serve it to your friends and family and let me know what are their views on this delicious recipe. Please do like and subscribe Frolic Smile. Thank you so much.